Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I am bringing you guys the rose quartz design on my Poochie's practice hand. Her name is Bella. I'm taking my craft scissors and just going ahead and cutting off the tip as I am doing a long coffin set. And these tips make it super easy to get that coffin shape without doing much filing. Highly recommend them. These are the Notpolish universal tips. Check them out if you guys are interested. Do not forget to use my code for a discount. That's VEE88 on their website for a discount. So I'm going ahead and taking my peel and stick file from Tammy Taylor per usual, and I'm just going in, and I'm not necessarily bringing in the shape at all. I'm just making sure that the tip and the natural nail are flush together on the sides. That's basically what I'm doing. Some tips might be just a little bit bigger than the natural nail, so I'm making sure they are all nice and flush. I'm just taking my sanding band and going on the part where I glued the tip onto the natural nail, and I'm just making sure that's flush as well. We want to ensure a smooth application, and this helps us do that. Now getting right into the nail art, I am using a sheer pink and a very vibrant white. I do think it is very important to use a sheer pink as it does give the more realistic rose quartz design. So basically what I'm doing is a few different ways. I'm just placing both colors onto the nail and kind of marbleizing it. So what I like to do is sometimes I'll lay down that sheer pink onto the nail and then I put the white in, or as you saw me just do right now, I'll dip it into the pink and then immediately into the white and marbleize it that way. I like to think of the rose quartz design in like a crisscross pattern. So if you can see how I'm placing the white, I like to kind of put one pointing up to the right, and then the other layer will be pointing to the left. So it kind of just depends on which one I start with. It really doesn't matter. There's no particular reason. The cool part about this design is basically the more layers that you add, the more realistic it's gonna look. I also like to go in with white and then kind of make those marbleized white lines more vibrant. It gives a pretty cool 3D effect. So the more layers you add to it and the more you cross the colors, it's gonna give you that beautiful rose quartz look that we want. Again, this time I'm going to the left with the white, and then I basically go in and kind of dilute that with the pink. So there's really like no specific way of saying how to do this other than like you guys watching it. Just play with it, and like I said, the more layers you add on there, the prettier it's gonna look. So I'll let you guys watch. So just encapsulating that with my speed clear. I am doing this again very thinly. I basically add clear to the top, so when we go in and file, we do not ruin any of that design. I do highly recommend you guys do not skip this step because it is important and you can ruin the design you just created. Once we're done encapsulating, I'm gonna go ahead and file. I'm taking my safety carbide bit. This is Quartz, and my Young Nails e-file, and I'm going in the cuticle area and then going over the surface of the entire nail. What we wanna do is make sure that the surface is super smooth and perfect. So while I finish filing the nails, I just want to take a moment and thank every single one of my subscribers. If you have not turned on the little bell notifications, do that so you guys don't miss out on my videos. I am reading all of your guys' comments and I'm trying to do all of the requested videos. It's so hard, but I'm trying, and I truly appreciate your guys' patience and all the support you guys have given me throughout this journey. I'm super excited that my channel is growing as it is. Again, thank you guys so much. Now that we are done filing the surface of the nail, I'm taking my peel and stick file per usual and just going on the sides and perfecting that coffin shape. Just going on one side, then on the other side, and then on the free edge of the nail. If y'all have any questions, do not hesitate to ask below in the comment section. Be patient with me. I'm trying to get back at everybody whenever I do get comments. It is very, very hard, but I am trying. So now I'm just going in and turning the hand around. This is basically how I perfect my shape and how I file the free edge. I believe that this is the best way because you do get to see it from the client's perspective and you get to see any flaws or anything that they might see that you didn't catch before. So I do recommend turning the hand around and looking at it that way. And then we're just going in with our Notpolish Gloss It and top coating that nail, curing for 60 seconds. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. And do not forget to look at my discount codes for all the companies that I support. Again, thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys next time.